Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll explain how to get a full combo in Vita Mahjong so you can boost your score and clear levels like a pro. In Vita Mahjong, a full combo means matching tiles continuously without breaking your streak. Here's how you can do it. First, simply open your Vita Mahjong app right here and you can open your level that you are in currently. I'll simply open it right here. Start by scanning the board carefully. Look for chains of matches that are easy to link one after another. Suppose there are many tiles on your screen and simply choose the ones that you see at top and do it one after another without using any other course. As you can see, I already got a combo. Focus on the tiles that unlocks new moves. For example, clearing tiles on the edge or top layers often reveals more pairs to keep your combo ongoing. Don't waste time between matches. Combos depend on speed. The faster you tap matching pairs, the higher your chances is of hitting a full combo. So don't wait when you are tapping your tiles and choosing them. Simply choose the ones you simply see at the top of your screen, and if you choose any other that are not currently on the top, you will lose your combo. Practice makes perfect, and once you know the tile pattern, you will be able to chain matches much faster. And that's it. Follow these steps and you will be racking up full combos in no time. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and tell me in your comment section your highest combo streak so far. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.